school in Kansas in the United States. He was not a very good artist. No one bought his art, so he did not have very much money. He had a very full studio in his father's garage. One day, the artist was sitting in the garage. He was trying to think of something to draw. Suddenly, a mouse came out of a crack in the floor. The mouse began to play. The artist watched it. Then the artist went into the house. He brought some bread out to the garage. He fed the mouse. The next day, the mouse came again. The artist and the mouse became friends. The mouse climbed up on the artist's drawing board. He fed the little animal every day. Then one day the artist went away. He went to Halloween to work for a movie company. The artist was not successful in Halloween. Rather, he did not have much to do. He did not have much money. He just sat in his boarding house all day. One day, he remembers the little mouse in the garage in Kansas. He drew a feed picture of his little friend. He felt happy. The artist was Walt Disney. The mouse was Mickey Mouse. Mickey Mouse became the most famous actor in the world. More people in more
countries.
country have seen Mickey Mouse than any other actor. Mickey Mouse gets more fan letters than any other actor. Walt Disney never thought that this mouse would become so famous.